the official channel of Career Plan, your free personalized career planning tool. Have you ever tried to help a friend to get a job in your company where you have worked for years? You add your reference and send email to HR and wait for the response, but get no response from the HR team. Then, through a recruitment agency, your friend gets a call for the same job. You will keep wondering why your referral did not work. It is frustrating and it is irritating. Does this sound familiar? If so, you are not alone. Many people face similar situations, feeling sidelined by their own companies. In this video, we will talk about why big companies might not pay attention to employee referrals. We will tell you how you can help your recommendation get noticed. Let us talk about what goes wrong when employee refers candidates. First, consider the recruitment team. HR recruitment teams are usually small with only 2 to 3 members for a company with 1000 employees. If the company has a 5% resignation rate and a 20% growth rate, you can guess how many job openings will be there. Now think about the success rate. To fill one job for an experienced technical employee, they might need to interview 5 to 20 people. This means many interviews need to be scheduled and rescheduled. Now let us talk about how emails are sent when referring a friend. Your friend might send you resume with subject my resume and you might forward it to HR team with the subject resume of my friend. It can be frustrating for HR to see emails with subjects like my resume, my friend's resume, and as discussed. These subject lines don't convey any useful information, and there might be many such emails which HR receive from you and other valuable employees. Imagine if 50% of employees refer friends and they do this every few days or weeks. Imagine the email traffic. Looking at these emails, figuring them out, and matching them to job openings is a lot of work for the HR. Instead, you could send an email with the subject line Profile of 5 years in Industrial Automation, Software Development, Technical Lead Role. Think about how much it will make things easier for the HR team. Next, let us talk about companies' referral intranet portals. Yes, these portals do exist, but the information is not always up to date. Hiring managers don't often update all the job openings. Instead, it is easier to ask the hiring team or share the information informally with the same group to get the referrals. When a company is hiring, first they often look at most recent resumes and might ask a hiring agency to help. It is easier for the HR team if they get help from such agency. Unless you are an insider in the group, your referral resumes might not reach the team with actual needs. You will never know how many actual open positions exist in your organization. Another issue is that employees often do not filter the resumes they receive by friends and relatives. When you get a friend's resume, how often do you open it before forwarding it? Your friend may not be up to the mark. Would you filter it at your level or would you still send it to try your luck? There is often no accountability in this process, right? Employees also do not follow up and close the loop. HRs often pick the most recently sent profile. A resume sent some time ago might be outdated because the candidate might have got a job somewhere else. If you sent a resume without a specific job opening in mind, you would need to put in a lot of effort to follow up. The referral might get a call for an interview for one role, and after that, many employees give up. They think they have done enough for their friend by getting them one interview chance. For another position, could the same person be considered? Who should push and make it happen? Working with agencies makes things easier. When the hiring manager needs help, the recruitment team only talks to one person from the agency. This person takes care of everything. Agencies don't send random resumes to be stored and looked at later. They only send resumes when needed and they make sure the information is correct. Agencies also follow up and keep track of hiring needs sending the right profiles. Some people think the recruitment team does not have much power, but the agencies respect and value them. Working with the agencies is much better than dealing with referral candidates. If you are an employee who intends to refer friends, you need to understand this bigger picture. You will be more effective in referring your friends for the employment from now onward. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.